Good morning! 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 Nakasimangot ka.
Yan, nabugasin.
Okay, let's make my lunch.
Ito sa kanya. Sabihin mo siya, inabraw.
Preparing lunch. And grabe, gulo ng buhok ko. Alam niyo ba, 2 days na ako walang suklay. Kasi naiwan ko sa bahay. Grabe yung breakout ko. Ang dami kong pimples. We're gonna go swimming. Blush and highlighter. Magsaswimming ba kami or magpipicture? Takyot ba ako? Si Oa. Yung nanay ko po, Aura.
May aso!
Grabe si Marimaro. As a photographer. Diba swimming? Super ganda. Pat kami sa kabilang pool kasi meron doon volleyball area. Wait. There. So we're gonna play volleyball or basketball. Depende.
Hello vlog, welcome to my guys. Kaya mo yung baba-baba?
One. Whoa! Even you hold my hand. Wait.
Guys, for reference, this is 11 feet. Nagyayabang po to, oh. I mean, kaya ko lumangoy. Pero hindi ko kaya tumalon from there. Lubog hanggang pinakailalim. Inuna namin mag-swimming bago kumain, kaya gutom na kami. And time is 2:39. Hindi pa kami nagbe-breakfast and lunch. Gutom na daw sila.
Pero yung gutom ko 1,000 na may makeup kasi
Mauna na kasi kayo. Wearing top from Lovito and this one from TikTok Shop.
Okay na?
Malis ka kasi! I'm wearing top. Top is from Lovito and this shorts is from Shopee. Tara, kain na tayo. Suklayan mo na ako para kakain na tayo. Aray, ang sakit naman. Yung kuto! May kuto! Nakalimutan ko mag-setting spray. Here's our view. And here's my food with Coke.
Yummy!
And parang ang baba ng upuan ah.
Nakakawit na ako steak body eh.
Very, very masipag. Guys, ang sarap tumae. Ganito yung view. Oh, diba? Poopwell! Hello!
Hi guys! Nautusan ko yung pinsan ko maghugas ng plato. Once in a blue moon lang to. Chip! Tayo hugasan ng plato!
Wait lang, mababasay kami.
Saan mo kumain para malagyan mo na yung kutsara dun sa ate mo? Nagpatapos! Kunin mo yung plato ng kapitbahay. Guys, ganda dito guys! Kung gusto nyo, kayo naman dito. Guys, don't subscribe.
We're gonna have dinner. Galing! Yan, hindi na shoot. Go, Andy, go. Galing!
Walang rules yan, sa mag-alala.
Galing!
Video.
We're gonna have dinner and ang dami ko.
Goals.
Hello.
Hi. Hello.
Quiet, and the light to turn.
babies. Inom ulit. Eh.
Tapos, they need to set them free.
Alex, he wants to stay awake the whole day.
I always wanted to use my phone. I miss watching TV.
Good night. Good morning. It's our last day here. Uwi na kami. Morning. Where? We're gonna go get breakfast. Good morning.
Good morning.
Lonzo. Hello.
Help me! Someone help me! It's so cool.
Before we go home, pupunta kami sa souvenir shop. So, we're gonna check kung ano yung pwede naming bilhin.
You pay for it now?
Yes.
Oh, they're small.
Super cute.